Most dogs hate bath time, but this one can't wait to jump in. This dog acts like he's at a 5-star spa every single time, the moment his owner says bath. He starts wagging his tail, running around the house in pure excitement, and jumps straight into the tub, waiting for his royal treatment. His owner fills the tub with warm bubbles, soft water, and gentle fragrance, then slowly gives him a relaxing massage from head to paws. The dog closes his eyes, smiling like he's in heaven, and just when it feels perfect, his owner brings snacks. Yes, snacks during the bath. He munches, happily enjoying every bite like a true king. This isn't just a bath, it's a luxury spa day made only for him. And when it's over, he refuses to leave the tub, still waiting for more love.